This adorable little girl's name is Flo. Flo's impound number is A4664269. Flo is a female white miniature poodle mix. She came in as a stray a couple days after Christmas on December the 28th. We think she's about 2 years old. She was found in East LA. She weighs 11 pounds. And let's see, what can we say about little Miss Flo? She has a medium energy level. She does get along well with other dogs. She's kenneled with other dogs. She's playful, she's curious, loves to run around. She's very affectionate. She loves attention, pets, belly rubs. She does walk well on a leash. She does know how to sit, so it appears as though in her former home she did have some training. It also looks to me like she'd been groomed or had a haircut fairly recently. So she may also be housebroken. It looks like she was a well cared for, loved dog. And she does take treats gently, very gently, so she'd also be easy to train. And we think she'd do well with children, and really she'd be great in any size home, in any living situation, whether a new dog owner or experienced dog owner. She's just a delightful, adorable little girl. Linda, is there anything else you wanted to add about Flo?
No, she is just a sweetie pie that needs a home. And yeah, you're right. I think she was well cared for, which is nice.
Yeah, she's definitely an adorable little girl. So please find it in your heart to come down and give Flo a home today.